Whichever beer you like the most, we'll give you an extra like that.
We'll do a countdown from 10 down to 1, alright? 10,
9, 8.
8.
Let's explore. Good morning. We are starting our day at Scarborough. Last night there was a market down here and you'd never guess. They've done a great job cleaning up and packing up, and now there are just people out just enjoying themselves.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that?
So even in Western Australia, they have their QR codes for COVID. So you register, so now we've got to set up a new app. How's your breakfast look, Phil?
Looks good. I'm hungry, so
Poached eggs and bacon, and I've got fried eggs and bacon. Today we are in Fremantle. We're going to start at the War Memorial. I believe there's a wharf to check out.
some markets to look at.
Yes. And a jail. And I think there might be a cannon firing around lunchtime.
Oh, cool.
This is the War Memorial at Fremantle. Not only do they have the cenotaph, but they've also got a whole lot of little monuments that just reflect different service. Quite a surprise. It's on the top of the hill, just above Fremantle. Fremantle's got a nice little information board, so you can find where you're going. Fremantle markets dating back to 1897. You ready to explore, Phil?
I am.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Fremantle Oval. Really loving all the old buildings, hey? This is Fremantle Prison, and we actually did this when we lived in WA with the kids and Phil's parents. If you want to find out about colonial history in WA or the prison system, great little effort. Check out the description below for all the details. Behind me are some little information panels, and the one that I just read was referring to World Heritage Sites, and in 2010 there were 11 convict or prison related sites in Australia that got added to the list. Fremantle Prison is the only one you can see in WA. There are just so many old, lovely, quaint buildings in Fremantle. Everywhere you look, there's a mix of the modern and the old, but the old is beautiful. What is your favourite type of architecture? Let us know in the comments below. cool is that facade. I'm not sure if half of it was done up or if it's just been beautified to look like that.
We're at the roundhouse.
What are we going to do?
Have a look around.
And?
Hopefully see a cannon fired.
And a bit of an advertisement. If at any stage you have something to celebrate, like a wedding, a birthday, a divorce, whatever, phone us and book in to fire the cannon. Look, if this doesn't work in the end, could everybody just shout bang? Yeah, nobody else will hear, but at least we'll know. We'll do a countdown. Here we go, you can handle that. We'll do a countdown from 10 down to 1, alright? 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. And the ball dropped, but you can't see that because you watched the cannon.
Alright guys, have a great day, eh?
We've just done the cannon firing at 1 o'clock and it was really cool. The guy who fires tells a bit of a story, a bit of history, a bit of how you read, why they do it, all that sort of thing. Behind the Roundhouse, 1 p.m. every day. Opened in 1831, the Roundhouse is the oldest building in Western Australia and was a jail. So this was the main well. It was moved up here after some unrest. The curfew bell. When this bell rang, any convicts who were not really convicts got to go home and be in bed or be in trouble.
Calculate number 1. Well,
Joe's Fish Shack. So you've got fish and chips, and for me, the non-fish eater, I have chips and a Greek salad that looks okay.
try and get in it somewhere.
They're chips. So much detail in these fishermen baskets. We're going to head into Little Creatures, a local microbrewery. I think they're beyond a microbrewery now, aren't they? They're Australia-wide. But we're going to go in and have a tasting.
That big beer, but in place of that, what we can do is whichever beer you like the most, we'll give you an extra one of that.
So we come back for that one
Come
later.
back if you like, or if you know which ones you like, I can just give you an extra one of that.
Pale ale will be good.
Some pale ale?
I've had that before.
You've got it. Oh, machine. You got tap on the top there. Cheers.
Cheers.
Alright, first one's a real lighter.
Probably won't do it.
Nice work.
Very dry.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. Can we just sing along? And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
Behind me is Little Creatures Brewery, and it has been around for, I don't know how long, I'll check the date when I go back up there. And it used to be a microbrewery, locally renowned. You could only get it in WA. Of course, now you can get it everywhere. And their premises are huge. So Little Creatures actually started in 2000. They spread to the East Coast in 2005, and in 2012 they were bought out by a multinational and now are around the world.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking with you everything.
Basically, we've done a circle. We walked down into the centre of town, up to the roundhouse, over to the fishing harbour, and we're back at the markets, heading to Cappuccino Strip.
I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
A highlight of our trip was having a few catch-ups with friends, and tonight was night one. We got to catch up with Mark and Vanessa. Vanessa runs this awesome online business called Blessed by Vess. I'm going to put the link in the description below. And we just had an awesome night reminiscing. Over 25 years of friendship, picked up in a heartbeat. If you want to see more of our WA adventure, then why not hit the like and subscribe buttons, ring that little bell and you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. Why not check out the playlist above or find us on social. Until next time.